Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to my channel, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like and share. If you are not following me on Telegram yet, I'll be putting a link to my Telegram channel. Make sure you go to the comment section. I'll go to the comment section, click on the link. It will take you straight to my Telegram. Follow me there. I'll be able to communicate with you guys there. So when we take a look at this gold for today, right now, I think we should be very careful trading, gold, especially USD pairs, because first we will be expecting, like NFP today, which is Friday. We will be expecting it very soon. It just depends on the time zone where you are. So that movement itself, we can't really predict what will actually come out. It's either that news draws our price or it's actually take it up further. But technically speaking, if you are to analyze it technically by putting the news aside, which you are not supposed to do because the news will have an high impact on this gold, it's actually move this gold. But before the news will come out, let's see if gold will give us some more movement upward before we can start seeing that drop, and possibly if the news push drops this price, then we are going to see a massive movement downward on gold for today, or we are very much likely to see that massive movement upward on gold for today. So whatever it is, we would want to see a little bit of a bullish move, then we can now start getting that drop before the news is being released. So if the news is being released, I can't really tell what markets will do. I mean, we just need to see what that market is doing as at that time to know how to place this trade. But right now, we don't know what the news is going to be saying. So we just have to put our hands and watch out for it for today.